And so humans do this. So the answer here is that's you and me and almost everybody else in this room. Do it again. And then do it again. And then, everybody? Do it again. There you go. What an intelligent audience you brought here today. Yeah, because you can repeat that and after a while you'll realize none of those machinations matter. None of those mental gymnastics that you're going through matter. In fact, they will hurt you. So none of that matters. And what really does matter is that you learn to enjoy dropping things that you no longer need, and you enjoy bringing things into your life that you actually wish you had. You'll enjoy the process. And when you enjoy it, you might actually do it again. And that's the lesson.